I've been painting for almost 2 years now, but I never had the opportunity to go to classes or have a teacher who would teach me how to paint. So I lie in the miserable section of a self taught artist. I've seen a lot of fine art students create mind blowing paintings, while mine stays still, like it's missing something. They had tutors to tell them what they were missing. But I don't have one, and I don't need one. Neither do you. I've created hundreds of art pieces in just a year and a half, but if I was told to pick good paintings, I'm not sure it'll be more than 10. And that might happen to you as well. Yet, in my opinion, you're capable of more than you know. The only thing stopping you is comfort. You find it easier to draw eyes. You draw eyes everywhere. You hate drawing hands. You do avoid it to the farthest extent. But just don't do that. Comfort is nice, but improvement is better. Twist your artwork, know your art style, and most importantly, don't live in the checkpoint you've just reached.